This is Mike with Skybird Travel, and today we're going to talk about making a hotel booking on the Wings booking engine. So once you've logged into Wings, you come to Make Bookings. Across the top here, it gives you the option of the things you can book. We're going to click Hotels. Let's just say Casablanca. And we'll go sometime in the future. And that might not be enough time to stay there. There's a lot to do. You can pick the number of rooms. I'm going to say 1 room, but you can add 3 more rooms, so a total of 4 rooms. And you can have up to 8 people in each room, adults, including adults and children. So I'm going to leave it at 1. We have an advanced search function here. I'm going to choose a 5-star hotel, but I could do that afterwards, and I can switch after I get my results. I can also switch it to a 3-star hotel or whatever I want. As you can see here, the hotel ratings are here. You're going to see a lot of this kind of loading of pictures only because these are hotels, and there's a lot of pictures that go along with it. So you can see here, if I wanted to, I could switch to 3-star hotels, and then there's 51 of them. I'm sorry, 4-star hotels, but I'm going to stick with a 5-star hotel. Let's try the Gray Boutique Hotel. Here's more information about it, about the hotel. There's a lot there. Here's reviews about the particular hotel. We'll select the room. It says all prices including taxes and fees. If there's an additional fee for, say, a spa, and there's an additional fee, then it would say that right there. So we'll select a room. You can see all the rooms here. There's still a chance to see what the reviews are, the details, the same thing. So you get to see it before you choose it, the amenities. And again, the reviews, just in case you didn't do that before. And if you know the city very well, then you might want to kind of zoom in and see, okay, what is this next to? Where can I go? So that'll help you find the exact room that you want. The rooms in the hotel are listed here. You can say, I want to have it with breakfast. You can do prepaid, you can do refundable. Again, you can choose those. These rooms are prepaid. If you're using a prepaid hotel, you make 15% commission. You can see these rates are coming from Expedia. This rate comes from Hotel Beds. You'll see a number of different suppliers in here, and they all come together for you. They're all basically competing for your business. The commission 15% is here. There's a small pencil right here because if you wanted to change the commission, you could do that on a prepaid. On a prepaid booking, you can change the rate. Why would you want to change the rate? Well, let's say you're making good money on the airline ticket that you bought from Skybird Travel, and the client looks at Expedia and gets a rate that's very similar to this. Your client might say, I can get that rate on Expedia. Why do I need you? Well, you could just come right here and say, okay, I made enough money on this person. I'll just change it. And then that changes the rate. There's terms and conditions. You can see that this booking is non-refundable and non-amendable. I'm going to book this. I don't want to book a non-refundable one. Let's choose a refundable one. So I'll book this now. I get a chance to review the booking before I complete it. So the reviews are here. You can see it's prepaid and it's refundable. I'm going to proceed to checkout. And here's you can see some images of the hotel, the different rooms. What does this room look like? So you can go through that. The terms and conditions, as a reminder, free cancellation until this time. Close that. Put in the title of the person, their names, you get all that information there, the customer contact information. Credit card, because this is prepaid, a provisional hold. I can opt for provisional hold here. You can see it's going to hold it for basically 2 days. Payment must be received prior to that date or it'll be canceled. The terms and conditions of the fare, just as a reminder, there it is. And then I could click a confirm booking, and then I'll be all set. Your booking will appear under manage bookings. This would be my booking right here. And that's how you go about making a hotel booking on the Wings booking engine. Thanks for joining me.